Here I am in front of I don't know if it's Behm Mountain Cabin. Spending a weekend out here with the family, checking out Serpent Mountain, a few other things around the area. But they got a pretty big yard here, 40 acres with a bunch of trails on it. I'm gonna do a little exploring around. Come on. Look at this. What is this? What is going on here? Who's killing who? Who's got who? That thing killed the spider? Dude, it's got that big spider. What is going on? Look at this thing. It's crazy. It's eating it. It's freaking eating it, bro. Making sure it's clear. Did you see that? Did you see that?